Hey, what's going on, guys? Chris back with you with another unboxing and review video, and this one is going to be for some wireless earbuds by the company VANKYO. And the exact model on these are the Alpha X200s, true wireless earbuds. If you guys are not familiar with VANKYO, I have reviewed many projectors by them, a tablet, some Android boxes, and they make great products, so we're expecting big things for these as well. There is a case, we're gonna get into all of that. And just like all my unboxing and product review videos, in the description box right below the video, you're gonna find the direct link where you can read more about this, pick one up yourself after the video is over. Let's go ahead and head on over here. Let's go ahead and get these out. Let's see what they have. Let's take them for a test run, and let's see. We're gonna be taking them to the gym, and we're gonna be bouncing around and all sort of things, because I wanna see if these are gonna stay in my ears and not fall out. So let's head on right over here. Hey guys, if you're new here, welcome. We have a lot of fun here. Smash that subscribe button down below and turn on your bell notifications so when fresh content comes out, you're the first to know. All right, let's get them out of the plastic here. And what's cool about this technology is actually what I dreamt about years ago after watching a movie with, I think, Ryan Reynolds in it. And he lays down some earbuds on a table, and that was before this technology was even out. And now it is here, meaning that there's no wires at all and they are completely wire free. Okay, these are them inside of the charging case right there. We're gonna get to that in just a second, but let's go ahead and go over what is inside this little small box right here first. So inside the small box you do have extra ear tips for your different ear canal. If you have smaller ones or larger ones, there are your extra different size tips there. You have a very small USB to micro USB cable. Cord length is probably going to be pretty small, about maybe 8 inches or so. And you also have a USB to a micro USB adapter if you want to go ahead and use a longer cable that you already have with a wall plug. All right, inside here, besides that, is just your manual and are you happy with the product information card. So before we do get to the product, let's go ahead and look through a couple specifications real quickly here. Again, these are the X200s. There is a battery level indicator right there on the side, the right and left, to display the battery indication. Of course, we're going to get to that as well. Tells you how to pair them, of course, on your phone. But the specifications we want to get to right here. Power supply is DC 5 volt 1 amp. The BT version, Bluetooth version, is 5.0. Battery capacity of the charging case is 3500 milliamp battery, which is very nice. Charging time for the earbud is 1 hour. Charging time for the charging case is 4 hours. Call time 5 hours. Play time around 7 hours with 60% volume. Standby time in the charging case 200 hours. That's awesome. And so what's going on is that the case actually has a battery in there, so you can leave them in there, and right off the bat, that is very nice. I've reviewed many earbuds, and this case alone feels very sturdy and nice, unlike some other plastic ones that I have reviewed in the past by other companies. It has a nice little flip-up case here. As you can see here, it's already cranked on there. That's actually really cool. And I don't know if the left one is on quite yet, but okay, there we go. Now that one's sensing right there. So the left is 70%. Okay, we'll get into that. Obviously, this is a review video. So we have ourselves a nice little micro USB port right here for charging the case. Again, a 3500 milliamp battery inside the case. And it's a little hard to see there, but the same specs I just gave you are right on the back right there. And then just coming around the back, a very plain case. And then just coming back around here. Let's go ahead and open up these guys one more time. Let's take a closer look at this. Now they are trying to pair, that's why they're blinking. And so we will of course be pairing those later on the road. So you have your little magnetic little action here, the charging port here and here. Earbud goes inside and the other one as well. It says left and right on each one. Already has some tips on there as well. And then you just slip it back in. And then it's magnetic there, so what happens is, this happens where they don't fall out of the case, and that's really nice. So let's go ahead and put these bad boys inside my ears and see how they feel, and then of course we will be taking them for a test run, see how they sound of course as well. So this is what they look like inside of my ear canal here, as we can see, and I'm trying to get the shot here, but we're looking really good. They feel very good. They feel very nice and light in my ears, not really heavy and bulky, which is nice. And again, those are not going to fall out because I like these type of ones that go inside of the ear canal with the tip, like the ones that don't have the tips. And what I'm talking about the tip, I'm talking about the silicone tip here. When you don't have that tip that pushes into the canal, they easily fall out. I remember I reviewed a different pair that were like the Apple ones and they fell out. I was pushing them in every 100 feet I would walk. It was really a pain. But these ones right off the bat are very nice. And so what you do is obviously you push them in and then you can see it goes right into the area of your ear there. And then let's go ahead and look at this one here. There, I can see the shot a little bit better so I can be a little bit more clear of where I'm filming. So as you can see, you know, your little light there hooks around at least my interior of my little portion of the ear, which is this little portion here, and then slips right in. And again, not coming out. And we will, of course, be taking this to the kickboxing gym, bouncing all around and showing you that if you were in a running scenario, well, let's just show you right now. If you're in a running scenario, those aren't coming out. As you can see, very nice. And what's cool is that it displays the percentage while it is charging. So if you needed to go out for a quick jog and needed to know, that is really nice as it's charging up to 100%, blinking 94. That's a great feature. We have the ear pods right here after a grueling workout. Forgive the music, we might have to cut it off for copyright strike. I'm gonna jump around showing that these do not fall out of your ears once they're in. So let's go. Not going anywhere. All right, guys, I want to wrap this video up, and these are fantastic. Obviously, we have seen they stay in your ear, but I want to talk a few more details by you guys. Nice long range as well. I was actually using them in the house, going in and out of my garage, which is on the lower level below, and they were staying connected. So very nice long range of connectivity. Also, the phone call feature sounds great as well. I called my buddy. I asked him how they sounded. He sounded perfectly crystal clear. He said I sounded perfectly crystal clear. So obviously these are just like the higher end ones where you can talk. You can talk on them while you're exercising, and all you do for that, if you want to accept the phone call, touch the ear pad twice, end it right here. All the directions are right here as well. You can hold the call, you can swap the call, activate voice control right there with your Siri or Google Assistant. You can skip tracks, you can pause or play, and meaning when you're doing this, all you're doing is you're touching the outside of the appropriate one. So this is touch sensitivity right here. And so during a phone call or whatnot, or if you want to end it, double tap that. If you want to pause it, tap that. If you want to raise the volume on the right one, you hold it down and the volume goes up until the max desired, and then you just let it go when it sounds good. You can, of course, control it on your phone as well or device, but if it's not loud enough when you raise this one completely to 100%, then adjust it on your ear pods. You can skip tracks and again pause it with the appropriate directions, touching each individual touch sensitivity as well. Obviously you can turn it off with the touch here, but what I do is I actually just pop these bad boys back in, and that will shut it off automatically, and that way they can be charging as well. Flip that bad boy down and go about your business. Overall, guys, some fantastic ear pods. They sound great. Nice bass, good clarity in the vocals. I was listening to some electronic dance music. The beat sounded great. The vocals sounded fantastic. Price point is on point for me. Again, look in the description box below the video for this exact same product link. You guys in the UK, I will try to have you guys linked as well if they sell it in the UK. We will see you on the next video, guys. Hit that thumbs up button if it has helped you make an informed decision. We'll see you on the next one. Don't let the party stop, guys. Hit one of these videos, continue to watch. We'll see you soon.